Today is Monday morning. I am ready for school. Wake up, Tom.
Wake up, Jake.
Good morning, Mom. I want 5 more minutes.
Hurry up. The school bus will come soon.
Thank you for the food, Mom.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
I don't have time. You must eat breakfast. I will buy snacks later. I'm ready. Ready.
Move away.
You should wait in line. I don't care.
Good morning, children. Good morning, children.
Good morning.
You can go first. No running on the bus. You should wear it.
I don't need it.
Whoa!
Sit down, please. It is dangerous. La la la! Look at me, everyone! Please stop!
We should be kind. Children, please stay quiet.
You drop this.
I don't want it.
Thank you, Tom. You help keep the bus clean.
Please don't litter. It is bad for nature.
I don't care.
Are you okay? Yes. You're lucky.
Children, listen carefully. A school bus is a safe place only when everyone follows the rules. You must wait in line. You must wear your seatbelt. You must stay in your seat. You must use quiet voices. You must keep the bus clean.
I made many mistakes. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Just do better next time.
Great job, Jake.
Great job, Jake.
You go first. You go first.
Have a nice day. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Miss Jane.
Today we learned an important lesson. Good manners keep everyone safe and happy.
After you. Thank you. Let me help you. Thank you, Jake. You're welcome. After you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Jake. Excellent choice, Jake. What a beautiful day. Hi, Tom. Hi, Anna. Hello, Anna. Safety comes first.
That's right.
Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Thank you.
You're welcome.
We made it across.
See? I told you it was safe. Let's go home. Welcome home.
We're home.
Good afternoon, Mrs. Emma. You all showed wonderful manners today.
We will always remember. Goodbye.